Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make the tape stop effect in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can find all the instruments you can get started playing. We have the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started making the tape stop effect. There are two ways guys. The first way is to create it from scratch. So if you want to create it on your own, you're going to be using all the instruments that you have right here, such as the strings. We can even add, but mostly you're going to be using your keyboard to get your desired effects. So what you can do is open up the instruments you think are going to be of use and get started recording them. So you can go ahead and play any of the instruments that you can later find right here in the upper left corner and get started editing them. So when you click on your tapes right here in the edit mode where you can find all the tracks, let's say we want to make the tape stop effect on our keyboard, we can go ahead and tap on it. As you can see, here are a lot of options, but if you tap on the instrument yourself, you can have the automation option that's going to enable you to reduce the sound when you want. So what you can do is to reduce the sound till the end where you want to create the tape stop effect and get started with mixing it how you like. But guys, a very easier option than this one to just add your tape stop effect is to go ahead and add it yourself by clicking the button right here in the upper right corner. As you can see, this is going to open up this new file option where you can find that you can browse items from the files app. So guys, if you have your tape stop effect that you want to add to your tracks, you can just drag and drop it from your iCloud or iPhone storage wherever it is located. As you can see, you can add an MP3 file and then drag and drop it right here into the tracks, and then you can get started with editing them and adding the effect directly without creating it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.